Today, I want to show you a KDP niche that almost nobody is talking about, but is quietly doing way better than you'd expect, and it's built all around one theme: aliens. But here's the thing, while everyone else is busy chasing the same crowded coloring book ideas, there are entire niches like this one that get overlooked for whatever reason, and that's usually where the opportunity is. So in this video, I'm going to show you why this niche actually works, what it looks like on Amazon right now, and how you can start creating your own alien coloring book that you can sell on Amazon and Etsy, even if you don't know how to draw. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, if we take a look at this niche, the alien coloring book on Amazon, we're going to see total results 883. So that's below 1,000. And if you know with my videos, I like to look for total results of about 1,000 or less, because it just tells me that there's going to be less competition to deal with. Now, the niche scores a 52. Titans Pro analysis from Titans Quick View says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. So everything right now looks pretty good. Now, looking through the books here, we're going to see bestsellers ranks here of 170,000, and look at the royalties here, estimated $200 to $400 per month. This one 116,000. This one is totally different type of style than this one right here. This is more of that bold and easy type. This one is more of that raw alien look. Royalties estimated $400 to over $600 per month. This alien coloring book, sales rank 249,000. This one 479,000. This one 543,000. Going on to the next row, here's one right here ranked at 71,000, a bestseller right here, 1,570. And then going through the first page, I noticed a lot of varying bestsellers ranks, but actually quite a few that are doing pretty well. But the one thing that stood out to me is the type of themes that you can go with when it comes to this niche. So for example, you have this cats and aliens, you have this psychedelic type of alien coloring book, you have the sci-fi looking type teacup aliens, alien mandalas, cute and creepy alien crime scenes, cute and groovy aliens, space invasion. There's a lot of different ways to actually create this type of coloring book. So what I'm trying to say is you can actually make multiple types of alien coloring books and still be able to do well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this example. This one's titled Trippy Art, coloring book for adults featuring psychedelic art, aliens, magic. Now this book, not very long, only 90 pages. So 40 drawings in total, 40 illustrations, aka 40 coloring pages. This one's priced at $9.99. And that's typically what I see books priced at these days. And that's typically what I price my books at. And this is going to be that square 8.5 by 8.5 inch size. Now taking a look at the sample. So here's the cover. Looks pretty good. It's that bold and easy type of cover. Getting into the interior, there's a cover page right here, and then a book belongs to page. You can kind of see the styling of this book. And then on the back cover, you can see right here, 6 interiors. And right off the bat, all looks very good, looks very cohesive, same kind of theme. You see the eyes right here, same drawing style. So if I had to guess, I'm going to guess that this was probably made by hand by an actual artist. Now looking at the bestsellers rank, 9,371. So that's good for 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $1,300 to over $2,000 per month, all coming from one single book. And this is going to be pure royalties. Now, if we take a look at another example of a different style in this niche, we have this one, Aliens Doing Alien Things, bold and easy coloring book. And here is one of the pages of the interior. Looks very, very good. As you can see, a different style. Here's some more of the interiors on the back cover, but same character, very cohesive. And so there are definitely different ways to actually create alien coloring books. Now this one has a higher bestsellers rank, almost 500,000. So just $20 to $30 estimated in royalties per month. But looking at the reviews, people tend to like this. 7 reviews, all 5-star. So obviously the book is doing well. The interior, the cover, there are a few things that this publisher could do to probably get some more sales. They could lower the price to $9.99. And they could also start running ads, which could definitely help boost their rankings, especially because they already have very good ratings. Now, the truth is, creating coloring books today is way easier than it used to be. You don't need to be an artist anymore, you don't need expensive software anymore, and you definitely don't need to draw everything by hand. Instead, you can take advantage of AI, and with the right prompts, you can generate clean, consistent coloring pages in just a few minutes and then turn that into a full alien-themed coloring book without making this a complicated project. Let me show you how. Now, here's a prompt list that is made up of what's called super prompts. And what super prompts are basically prompts that can create the entire coloring book for you, from the cover, the interiors, the book description, as well as SEO keywords that you can just all copy and paste. And this is a list of almost 300 of those prompts. And so what I did was I just went through the topics here and I ran into the alien theme one right here. So all I did was I looked through these alien prompts, super prompts, and I went with this one and I just copied and pasted it into ChatGPT. And this is what it came out with. So you can go ahead and pause the video if you want to read this entire prompt, but it created pretty much everything for me. Here is the main character called Zippy the Alien, and the entire description of Zippy the Alien, even the style of how to create the coloring pages. Also the cover prompt right here in full color with the title already done. Now, you can change this title around, and that's what I would suggest to do, is actually create your own title using targeted keywords so that your book can actually rank better. Now, with the interior coloring page prompts, this is 25 pages, but you can obviously add more pages. Just ask ChatGPT to generate more prompts. But as you can see, page 1. And by the way, here is the style for all the pages. So ChatGPT knows exactly how to create each page. And then page 1, Zippy the Alien, different theme, different things that he's doing from page to page, but it's always Zippy, gently watering a tall smiley space plant, or planting a new tiny space sprout, or listening to a space planet with a smiling face, and so on and so forth, all the way to page 25. And then the short description that you can go ahead and copy and paste into Amazon KDP or Etsy. Just a great starting point here. Obviously, you can add on to this. You can even ask ChatGPT to make a better one, a longer one, something more specific to KDP books. And then the 7 SEO keywords, which can be helpful for that back end keywords. Now, what I did to make it simple is I just told ChatGPT to create the cover using the prompt that it provided. And this is the cover that it created. It actually looks pretty good here. And it's just a great starting point to create your cover. Now, going through here, create page 1 of the interior using the prompt that you provided. And as you can see, there it is. Looks very, very good. Now here's page 2 of the interior. I take care of my garden. Page 3 of the interior, plants need love and water. And as you can see, this is the first try on ChatGPT. Obviously, if there's something that you don't like, you can always ask ChatGPT to regenerate it and change things around. But for this tutorial, you can see it's actually pretty simple. Page 4 of the interior, there it is. I help new things grow. And then page 5 of the interior, I listen to my friends. So at this point, all that's needed to be done is to save these images. Now, typically you want 40 to 50 of these images for a complete coloring book, but for this tutorial, I'm just showing you 5. So very easy to save these. Right click and you go ahead and save image to your device. And then we're gonna move these images onto a design program, something like Canva, to go ahead and put this entire book together. Now here on Canva, I made a design 8.5 by 8.5 inches. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for a free one. I'll put the link down below. But essentially your book should look like this. Now this is a book belongs to page, typically the first page, but very easy to do this. You can go ahead and add a text from the left-hand side, add a heading here. And then what I did to turn this into a coloring element is just easily just go to effects up here and you can go and click outline, play around with the thickness, as you can see right there. Let's put this let's go ahead and make it 100 and change it to black, the color. Now with the actual text, this is gonna be black by default. So you wanna go up here and change it to white, just like that. And that's what it's gonna look like. You can also change the font around if there's something better here, but obviously look for something that fits your theme. And this is the one that I found. And then I just added a line, which you can find here on the elements by typing in line, and then just find a line here that you like and put it on the page. Now the next page, I typically use a blank page for bleed through purposes. And so I actually start my coloring books or my images on the page after that, which is typically every odd page or every page on the right hand side. And so here it is right here. Now all you have to do is just stretch it out and center it. Very simple. One thing though you want to take note is you want to upscale images that you get from AI. And there are free websites that you can do this, but Canva, if you're a pro member, you can go ahead and easily just go click on the image, click edit, go down to apps and look for image upscaler right here, which you can go ahead and upscale up to 4x, 8x, sometimes 16x, but typically 4x, and then go ahead and upscale that image. It's going to turn out to look a little bit better, a little bit crisper lines so that it's perfect for a coloring page. Now the next page, typically blank page, and then the image from ChatGPT goes on to the next page, blank page, and then another image. Now, if you're wondering why I put a border here, well, let me show you, because if I take away the border right here, you can see on this end right here that it's cut off, this image, and I don't like that. So one way to go ahead and fix that is to go ahead and click on the image and add a stroke weight here. So that's exactly what I did. You can find the best one for you. I'll stick to 5, and that's just an easy way of doing this. And once again, that's the pattern. Every other page, a coloring image. And if I go to grid view here, you can see kind of what the pattern is. And you're going to want 40 to 50 images. So you're going to go back to ChatGPT, create more images, ask ChatGPT to create more prompts until you have your completed coloring book. And once that's all said and done, it's very easy to save this for KDP and Etsy upload. Just go here to share, download as a PDF print. You can flatten the PDF, make sure all pages, and then choose CMYK for professional printing. You can also choose RGB if you're only using the free Canva, and then hit download. Now, I also tried the very same prompt on Gemini Nano Banana. So this is the exact same prompt right here, just to show you what Nano Banana can do. Now, this is what it came up with right here. And this is not what I wanted. I don't want a coloring book cover page that's partly colored in. So I told it that. I said, that's not what I wanted. I said, create all the prompts. And then it understood me. And so here's the product description. The character is named Zorp. And then the 20 prompts here for the interior pages. Obviously, you can ask Gemini to add more prompts as you go along, but as you can see, Zorp here, different things that he's doing, and then the SEO keywords right here, which can be helpful. Now, I said create the cover, and here's the cover. It turned out okay, but I think compared to ChatGPT, I like that cover a little bit better because it's a little bit more bright. There's more neon colors, and this one's kind of just a little bit boring. Now, if you play around with the prompts, I'm sure you can get Nano Banana to create something that is really good. But let's go ahead and go to page 1 of the interior. So that's what I told Gemini, and there you go. It actually looks pretty good. The styling is nice. I kind of like this. Meet Zorp. They love to garden in the stars. Kind of doesn't make sense there. Create page 2 of the interior. Here's Zorp doing something else. Page 3 doing something else. Page 4. And then I started to notice something. The background and Zorp, basically the same thing. And from page to page is not really changing much. So obviously need some tweaking with the prompts to get this very, very nice so that each image looks different than the rest, but the style stays the same. But as you can see, totally workable with Nano Banana and Gemini. Just depends on your preference, whether you like ChatGPT or whether you like Nano Banana, but you can totally use either one. Now, if you want to shortcut this whole process, I'll leave the link down below to the prompt list that I use to create this coloring book. It's not required, but if you want something that you can copy and paste and start experimenting with right away, it can save you a ton of time and frustration, especially when you're still learning how to put these books together. And if you're serious about getting started with KDP, also make sure to grab my KDP royalty roadmap. It's completely free and it walks you through the full process step by step, from picking a niche to creating your first book and getting it published on Amazon. Between the roadmap and the prompts, you're gonna have everything that you need to get started moving in the right direction. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.